What if one small cup could sharpen your focus, boost metabolism, calm your nerves, protect your heart, and slow aging, all without energy crashes or jitters? Not coffee, not energy drinks. Matcha. Matcha isn't just green tea. It's the entire tea leaf, finely ground and fully absorbed by your body. That means every sip delivers powerful antioxidants, calm energy, and deep cellular protection in a way most drinks simply can't. That's why monks used matcha for meditation. Professionals use it for focus. And health experts now call it one of the most powerful natural beverages in the world. Let's break down exactly what matcha does inside your body and why drinking it regularly can transform your energy, brain, and overall health. Benefit number 1, calm, focused energy. Without the crash, matcha contains caffeine, but it works very differently from coffee. Instead of hitting your system all at once, matcha releases energy slowly over several hours. That's because it contains L-theanine, an amino acid that calms the nervous system while keeping the mind alert. The result is steady focus, clear thinking, and sustained energy, without anxiety, jitters, or sudden crashes. Many people describe matcha as feeling awake but calm, making it ideal for work, studying, or long days. Benefit number 2. Packed with powerful antioxidants, matcha is one of the richest sources of antioxidants in the world, especially a compound called EGCG. Antioxidants protect your cells from oxidative stress, the damage that accelerates aging and contributes to heart disease, inflammation, and chronic illness. Because you consume the entire leaf, matcha delivers far more antioxidants than regular green tea. This cellular protection supports long-term health, energy, and resilience as you age. Benefit number 3. Boosts metabolism and fat burning. Matcha has been shown to support metabolism by increasing thermogenesis, the rate at which your body burns calories. It helps your body use fat as fuel more efficiently, especially when combined with movement. Unlike harsh stimulants, matcha supports fat burning without overstressing the nervous system. This makes it a popular choice for people focused on weight management and metabolic health. Benefit number 4. Supports brain health and memory. The combination of caffeine and L-theanine in matcha improves attention, reaction time, and memory. Matcha also supports healthy blood flow to the brain and protects brain cells from oxidative damage. This helps maintain mental clarity and cognitive performance over time, not just short-term alertness. Regular matcha drinkers often report better focus, fewer energy dips, and improved mental endurance. Benefit number 5. Supports heart health and circulation. Matcha helps protect the heart by reducing inflammation and oxidative stress in blood vessels. Its antioxidants support healthy cholesterol balance and promote flexible, healthy arteries. Better circulation means improved oxygen delivery throughout the body, supporting heart health and overall vitality. Over time, these effects help reduce strain on the cardiovascular system. Benefit number 6. Strengthens the immune system. Matcha supports immune health by providing antioxidants, vitamins, and compounds that help regulate immune response. Instead of overstimulating the immune system, matcha helps keep it balanced, strong enough to defend the body while reducing chronic inflammation that weakens immunity over time. Benefit number 7. Supports gut health and digestion. Matcha contains natural fiber and polyphenols that support healthy gut bacteria. A balanced gut microbiome improves digestion, nutrient absorption, immune function, and even mood. Many people find matcha easier on the stomach than coffee, especially when consumed without sugar or artificial additives. Benefit Note: supports skin health and slows aging. Matcha's antioxidants help protect collagen and reduce skin damage caused by sun exposure, pollution, and inflammation. By reducing oxidative stress, matcha supports smoother skin, improved elasticity, and a healthier glow from the inside out. Healthy skin is often a reflection of internal balance, and matcha supports both. How to use matcha for best results. Choose high-quality ceremonial or premium matcha with a bright green color. Avoid dull or brownish powder. Use about 1/2 to 1 teaspoon per cup. Whisk with warm, not boiling, water to preserve nutrients. You can drink it plain or add milk for a matcha latte. For best results, avoid adding sugar. Consistency matters more than quantity. Matcha isn't just a drink. It's a daily ritual that supports calm energy, sharp focus, metabolism, heart health, and long-term wellness. Simple, natural, and powerful, matcha offers benefits that go far beyond caffeine. If you found this helpful, like the video so more people can see it, and subscribe for more clear, science-backed health content. I'll see you in the next video.